I'm Brody with Off Leash K9 Training St. Louis, and this here is Shadow. Shadow is a 10-month-old Labradoodle that I had the pleasure of training for this past week in our 1-week board and trade program. He's a very excitable and very high-driven dog, and I had an absolute blast working with Shadow, working on his duration and working on his recall most importantly. That's what his parents wanted to work on the most. But overall, just bringing out his inner dog. And in this video, you're gonna see exactly that, how much fun we had together. And I hope you enjoy the video as much as I enjoyed Shadow. Thank you.
had Shadow to training where we had taken him into a place for an hour for I think 4 or 5 weeks, and we had some success, but not really what we were looking for. My wife has some mobility issues, and we were afraid that Shadow could actually knock her over. And so we heard about Brody and the company he works for, and decided to give it a try. So the first couple weeks, it went well, but he felt that Shadow would do a lot better if he actually had him for a week or 2 weeks to work more on off leash and things like that. And so at first we thought, oh well, we really, we didn't need that, but we decided with Shadow's being very active, and my wife's not being able to have him run into her, that we would go ahead and do that. So over the past week, we've seen videos daily and seen the obedience that Shadow is starting to exhibit. And just right now, he would have been all over the place. And so we are very happy that we've done this. And I think a well-behaved dog is really a key to a happy, not only happy pet, but also for us also. And so I would definitely, recommend that you if you can, work with Brody, and I think you'd be very happy with that.